Morning YouTubers. Previous my video I testing a HY4008 MOSFET, and now today I want test another one, MOSFET from International Rectifier IRFB4110. Okay, let's try. Apply on 4 kilowatt inverter with a maximum output. And then my previous testing HY4008 look successfully, no heating at all. And another one is CS19505 MOSFET from Texas Instrument. It's a very expensive MOSFET. Very expensive. And HY affordable, from original from China, and international rectifier. You can get from China or Mauser. Now we want to try maximum load 4 kilowatt. 4 kilowatt, 1000 iron. Iron, 1.4 kilowatt vacuum cleaner, and 850 watt vacuum cleaner. Okay, we will try on together 4 load, about 4 kilowatt 4 kilowatt load. Okay, let's begin. Now we start from turn on the iron first. 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, and a vacuum cleaner. So the MOSFET very cool, no heating at all, no heating sign. Okay, let's turn on. We start. One kilowatt, 2 kilowatt iron, and 2 vacuum. 3.3 kilowatt. Okay. Why my watts meter cannot go 4 kilowatt? Because the maximum rating only 2900 watt maximum. So my watts meter cannot go 4 kilowatt. Sorry for it. Okay, the MOSFET still remain cool, no heat sign. Okay, the IRFB4110 HY4008 and CS19505 is compatible if you want make your DIY 4 kilowatt 48 volt inverter. This is my PCB work, 4000 watt. If you want build inverter, you choose this 3 type MOSFET. Okay, thank you very much.